Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic accessory that promises to elevate the look and feel of your favorite Garmin smartwatch. The 22mm colorful soft nylon quick-release strap wristband, designed specifically for the Garmin Fenix 5, 5 Plus, 6, 6 Pro, 7, and Instinct series. Right out of the packaging, what immediately strikes one is the vibrant array of colors available. This isn't just another bland watch strap. It's an opportunity to personalize your device and match it to your mood, outfit, or activity. The colorful aspect isn't just a marketing buzzword. The hues are rich and appealing, offering a refreshing change from standard silicone or metal bands. Moving beyond aesthetics, the material itself is a standout feature. This strap is crafted from soft nylon, and the difference in comfort compared to stiffer materials is noticeable from the moment it's put on. It feels incredibly gentle against the skin, making it ideal for extended wear, whether one is tackling a marathon, spending a day at the office, or simply relaxing at home. The breathability of the nylon is another huge plus, especially for those with active lifestyles or who live in warmer climates. It helps prevent that clammy feeling often associated with less breathable straps, ensuring comfort throughout the day. Perhaps one of the most practical features is the quick-release mechanism. For anyone who enjoys swapping out their watch bands frequently, this is a game changer. The integrated quick-release pins mean that changing the strap takes mere seconds, requiring no tools whatsoever. It's a secure system too, so there's no need to worry about the watch accidentally detaching during vigorous activity. This convenience truly encourages customization, allowing users to effortlessly transition their Garmin from a rugged outdoor companion to a stylish everyday accessory. Compatibility is key, and this strap delivers. It's precisely engineered to fit a wide range of popular Garmin models, including the Fenix 5, 5 Plus, 6, 6 Pro, 7, and the Instinct. This broad compatibility means that many Garmin owners can enjoy the benefits of this versatile strap without worrying about fit issues. The 22mm width is standard for these models, ensuring a seamless integration with the watch's lugs. In terms of durability, nylon is known for its resilience, and this strap appears to uphold that reputation. It feels robust enough to withstand daily wear and tear, resisting fraying and fading even with regular use. For those who push their gear to the limits, this strap offers a reliable alternative that combines comfort with toughness. It's a thoughtful upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their Garmin experience, offering a blend of style, comfort, and practicality that truly stands out in the crowded market of watch accessories. It's a product that genuinely delivers on its promises, making it a highly recommended choice for Garmin enthusiasts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.